Hey, I made $2,600 in 26 days. And stick around, I'm fixing to tell you how I did that. It was pretty simple, actually. I found this incredible program that allows me to work 2 hours a day, and it really is just 2 hours a day, doing specific tasks. And it's so simple. It was step by step. I didn't have to learn tech. I didn't have to spend money on all the other stuff that, you know what I'm talking about. Anytime you get involved in any kind of online business, there's always the, oh, by the way, stuff out there. I wanted to be able to have time with my family, with my kids, and with my grandbabies, and travel with my husband, and have time to make bread and soap and do the things that, nanas like to do when they hit retirement age. So I found this program, and it allows me to do all of that, and it's simple. It's step by step. You don't have to know tech, and once you're in. You don't have to spend any more money. And I really liked that part. I have a podcasting habit I want to support. So click the link below and go watch the video where you're going to get much more details about how the program actually works and how it can work for you and help supplement your income.